everybody should do, because you can increase the profits of something that you're already doing. Doesn't matter. I don't care what market you're in, or what products you're selling. You can build something, a totally different revenue stream, or you can start up a brand new profitable venture. So there's something for everyone here. There's no reason why you shouldn't be interested in doing this. And we've been teaching this for years. I mean, long time. And thousands and thousands of success stories. But 2021 has ushered in a whole new way of doing things, with market conditions and opportunities and technology. So that's what we're going to be talking about here. And look, we've been doing this, or I don't know how many different ways to say we've been friggin' doing this forever. Aiden was using this, a decade ago, to generate fantastic numbers. And we've been working on it for damn near 20 years, and it works better than ever. And for me, it represented probably the second thing that I did. The first thing being just straight affiliate marketing, but it was already a multi-million-dollar business for me way back in 2007 and 2008. So it's been with us and in us for a really long time, and we've had great success with it. In 2016, we were the number one in history, all history, on the JVZoo affiliate network. And the only reason we haven't continued to make that is we moved away from the JVZoo affiliate network, not because we don't like them. They're great guys. We just got better terms elsewhere. And they invited Aiden to speak, and I'm glad Aiden had to go to that one, because there was a lot of high-fiving and jumping up and down on stage and doing all that kind of stuff that I don't do. So, however, I did get to talk in ClickBank, but I knew I was in trouble when one of the first questions they asked were, "Okay, what music do you want to come out to?" And I'm like, "Oh, for God's sakes, really? Seriously, we're doing this?" But it was fine. It was fine. It's a little bit more of a I don't know, a conservative crowd, I guess, in ClickBank. So in 2019, I guess they stopped doing the contest, because I didn't, we would have won in 2020 as well. But we were the number one vendor in the history of ClickBank, and they gave us a Tesla, which was pretty cool. And then they invited us to speak, so I got a chance to speak down in Mexico to all the top ClickBank vendors. So look, the bottom line is, I don't think you're going to find anybody more qualified to sort of share this business model with you. So let's just get at it. So how do you build a digital empire? So in the past, we were focused on 6 key phases, but we've got it really boiled down now. And because we've got this, lots of different improvements and just constantly evolving all the things that we're doing, plus new technology, we've got this down to 3 core steps. Okay. So you can select a niche and build about $100 a day affiliate income in that niche. All right. And then you scale that up to get to around $500 a day. All right. And I'm going to show you all this. And then you can leverage the work that you've done in core in steps 1 and 2. And you can create your own digital product asset in that same niche, because you're going to build again on the work in steps 1 and 2, and get up to about $1,000 a day. And obviously these numbers are targets. You can beat them. So let's talk about how you might do each of these 3 steps. So the first one was, selecting this niche, building $100 a day affiliate income. So first of all, you need to select a niche, and a niche is simply just a market, an area that has people who are interested in that topic and that has products to sell. And preferably, it would be something that interests you. Now, it doesn't have to be, because, I always say this, that you ultimately find yourself getting very interested in anything that makes you money. So if it's something that you don't know about, okay, but you're interested in anyway, that's fine. Okay. And, look, I don't expect that we're going to have I certainly don't hope that we're not going to have another global pandemic. But choosing something that's, I guess it's not so much pandemic proof as it is just simply almost anything proof. Short of,